Hey everyone, Bose debuted the SoundLink Max, the company's biggest portable Bluetooth speaker to date, earlier this month. Using 3 front-facing drivers, 2 passive radiators, and Bose's articulating array technology, the SoundLink Max produces rich stereo sound with deep bass. A strong audio experience is guaranteed with this configuration, indoors or out, with a robust IP67 rated casing that is resistant to corrosion and UV rays. The SoundLink Max is built to endure a variety of outdoor situations. It is the perfect partner for outdoor adventures because of this. The speaker size, 10.42 inches wide, 4.7 pounds in weight, and an incorporated climbing rope handle for effortless transport, improves its portability. Battery life is another strong suit of the SoundLink Max, offering up to 20 hours of playback on a single charge. Additionally, the speaker can function as a power bank, thanks to its reverse charging capability, allowing users to charge their smartphones on the go. The SoundLink Max utilizes Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring stable and efficient wireless connectivity. It supports SBC and AAC codecs, providing wide device compatibility. For audiophiles, the inclusion of Qualcomm's Snapdragon sound technology with aptX adaptive ensures high-quality wireless audio transmission. The Bose SoundLink Max, which comes in black and blue color variants, stands out among portable Bluetooth speaker options, thanks to its combination of a sturdy build, excellent sound quality, and useful functions. The Bose SoundLink Max is available for pre-order in China at a cost of 3,199 yuan, or roughly $451. Orders placed by customers now should start shipping on May 31st. Early adopters will get the chance to be among the first to experience Bose's newest breakthrough in portable Bluetooth speakers. With the debut of this much-awaited product, the SoundLink Max is poised to make a big impact on the market, thanks to its unique blend of sophisticated wireless technologies, robust durability, and tremendous audio performance. Thanks for watching. What do you think about the new portable Bluetooth speaker? Would you buy it for yourself? Write your opinion in the comments below. Have a nice day, and God bless you.